Microsoft promised to pull the plug on Windows 10 this October. But surprise, you've got one last chance to stay secure for another year. And even better, it might be free. Here's how you can extend Windows 10 updates until 2026 without paying a dime. If you act before October 14th, Windows 10 has been the workhorse OS for nearly a decade. But Microsoft wants everyone to move to Windows 11, with its AI features, stricter requirements, and shiny new design. Problem is, not everyone's ready. Some PCs can't run Windows 11 and some users just don't like it. That's where Microsoft's Extended Security Updates program comes in. The ESU, or Extended Security Updates program, is basically life support for Windows 10. It doesn't add new features. It doesn't make Windows 10 modern again. But it does give you critical security patches until October 2026. That means you stay protected from major vulnerabilities while you plan your upgrade or buy a new PC. Here's how you get it. Go to your Settings menu, click Updates and Security, then Windows Update. You should see a banner warning that Windows 10 support ends on October 14th. Beneath it, there's a link to Enroll Now. Follow the prompts. If you don't see it, make sure your system is fully updated and reboot your machine. Now here's the interesting part. Microsoft originally planned to charge everyone $30 for the privilege. But after backlash, they've opened two free paths. Cash and Microsoft Rewards points. Just 1,000 points covers your enrollment. If you use Bing or Game Pass, you probably already have them. Sync your Windows backup with OneDrive, though this may require buying extra storage if you're low on space. And yes, paying $30 is still an option if you just want the easy route. Important note, this is strictly security updates. No new features, no fancy upgrades, no customer-requested tweaks. Technical support will also be extremely limited. Think of it as a security band-aid, not a full refresh. Why the sudden generosity? Simple. User backlash. Millions of people aren't ready for Windows 11. Some PCs can't upgrade, and Microsoft didn't want a PR nightmare of abandoning them overnight. So ESU is their compromise. One last year of cover before saying goodbye for good. After October 13th, 2026, Windows 10 will truly be done. No more patches, no more lifelines. If you're still on it then, you'll be running an unsupported OS, a playground for hackers. By then, Windows 12, or whatever they call it, will likely be out, so this extra year is your runway to prepare. So if you love Windows 10, or your laptop just isn't ready for Windows 11, this is your moment. Enroll before October 14th, grab your free year of updates, and stay secure until 2026. After that, well, the future of Windows is waiting. What about you? Are you sticking with Windows 10 or finally making the jump to 11? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech breakdowns made simple.